Smells like splendid melody, unalcoholic libertine desire. You could be mother of my child, that it's so scary to deny that I'm dying for your love. Love crawls and cuts my breath away, just saw ambition in between your legs. You were a party with a queen, you're a summertime young teen, you are the reason to resist. I'm so ready to decline the Roman Empire to caress your soul. I heard a Swedish singer say, wrap plastic bags into your head and kiss so you cannot breathe anymore. Spontaneous ways of showing love, just trying to find the most disastrous way. Maybe you'll meet my evil side, maybe you'll meet my evil twin, finally heart me as your kid. That could be your man. Spit that came to my eye. Your eyes are hysterical, the looks are wild.
I això no podia acabar millor. Ha estat una temporada de neu inoblidable. Vam començar-la el 24 de novembre i l'acabem més de 5 mesos després, al cap de setmana de l'1 de maig, amb unes condicions espectaculars. Moltes gràcies a tots per fer-nos confiança i ens retrobem el primer cap de setmana de novembre que les condicions de la neu ens ho permetin.